Welcome to Docneer Hospi Solutions, your trusted partner for high-quality medical equipment. Overview. Today, we're introducing a powerful and reliable ICU ventilator, the Dräger Evita XL. Designed for neonates, pediatric, and adult patients, this ventilator ensures precise oxygen delivery and advanced patient monitoring. Let's dive into its key features. Multiple ventilation modes, supports volume-controlled, pressure-controlled, and spontaneous modes, ensuring versatile respiratory support. Advanced non-invasive ventilation, NIV, compatible with CPAP, BiPAP, and high-flow oxygen therapy, offering flexible respiratory management. SmartCare PSTM, automated weaning, an intelligent system that aids in natural breathing recovery, reducing ICU stay duration. AutoFlow pressure control, enhances pressure ventilation, ensuring smooth transitions and lung protection. Integrated humidification system, maintains airway moisture, preventing dryness and enhancing patient comfort. Customizable ventilation settings, adjustable tidal volume, inspiratory time, and PEEP, allowing precise respiratory care. Here are the essential accessories that keep your ventilator performing at its best. 1. Breathing circuits and hoses, ensures a secure connection and optimal airflow for effective ventilation. 2. Power supply and backup battery, provides uninterrupted power for continuous patient support even during outages. 3. Touchscreen monitor with customizable settings, intuitive interface for real-time monitoring and precise ventilation adjustments. 4. Intelligent alarms and safety alerts, immediate notifications for pressure changes, disconnections, and apnea detection, ensuring patient safety. Get the best ICU ventilator at the best price, only at Docneer Hospi Solutions. Who are we? We are Docneer Hospi Solutions Private Limited, a company founded by alumni engineers from IIT Bombay and doctors from AIMS Delhi, a direct importer and wholesale medical devices seller approved by the CDSCO Government of India. We support hospitals and doctors by offering high-quality new and refurbished medical equipment at the lowest guaranteed prices across India. For more details, contact us at 8228 44455.